Welcome everyone to the Product Toolbox. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic. We're going to understand the differences between project management and product management. We're going to look at the differences, the similarities, and so on. Understanding these roles is vital in the business world. So, let's break it down. Project management is about achieving a specific goal within a set time frame and budget. Project managers focus on delivering a unique output, emphasizing the temporary nature of projects. Some key responsibilities of a project manager include scope management, that is, they define the project scope, objectives, and deliverables. The second is time management. Project managers create and manage project timelines. Another responsibility of a project manager is resource management. Efficient allocation and utilization of resources are crucial for a project's success. Lastly is budget management. Project managers handle budgeting and cost control, adding a financial perspective to their role. Product management centers around creating and enhancing a product throughout its life cycle. Some of the key responsibilities of a product manager include product strategy. That is, product managers develop a long-term vision and strategy for their product. Another responsibility is market analysis. They understand market trends, competition, and their customers' needs. The third responsibility of a product manager is road mapping. Product managers are visionary. They create and manage product roadmaps to guide product development. So, let's highlight some of the key differences between a project manager and a product manager. It is important to note that a product manager is not a project manager. However, in order to excel as a product manager, you need project management as a skill set. Now let's touch on some key differences between product management and project management. The first key difference is time frame. Projects are temporary, while product management is an ongoing process. The second key difference is focus. Project managers focus on completing specific projects, while product managers focus on the entire product lifecycle from the introduction to the decline phase of a product. The third is metrics. So, success is measured differently when it comes to project management and product management because project management is more focused on the output, while product management is more focused on the outcome of that product. One major similarity between project management and product management is the fact that project managers and product managers often collaborate, especially in the product development process. They collaborate with various teams like marketing, engineering, design, business development, and sales. To sum up, understanding the key differences is crucial for business success. Both roles play a vital part complementing each other. I hope you were able to learn one or two things between the differences between a project manager and a product manager. Thanks for watching today's video. Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more content on project management, product management, and other related topics.